Alright, so today we're going to be removing and replacing the air filter on the BMW E30. This is the 318IS with the M42 engine, 4-cylinder. And we're going to put that aside for now. Remove a clip in the front. We also remove a clip on the back. Then we want to loosen this guy right here. Unscrew this guy. Take it off of there. Alright, unscrew the top one. There's also a clip on the back side. Let's remove that. This is pretty much free to go. And there's your old dirty one. Just pop this boy out. You can see it's fairly dirty. Got the new one here. And that's how it goes on, with the accordion down. Put it back in place. Line everything back up. There should be another clip here in the front, but I guess it's not there. Snap the clips back in place. Put this guy back on. Make sure the arrows line up. There's some arrows up there. And with the belts. And that's all there is to it. If you like the video and you want to see more E30 videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you know anybody else that has E30s, go ahead and share this video with them. And like always, thank you for watching.